In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Payhip store. If you want your storefront to feel more on brand and visually polished, Payhip makes it pretty simple to get started. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the design settings and how to begin customizing your store layout and appearance. To begin, head over to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. The dashboard is your main control center, so this is where you'll manage products, sales, and store settings. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to look through the main options so you can easily spot the design tools. Next, find and click on the option labeled Customize Store Design. This is the area that gives you access to the visual settings for your storefront. If you've never edited your store before, this is the section where you'll start shaping how visitors see your brand. It's helpful to think of this part as the bridge between your account backend and the public-facing version of your shop. After that, click on Customize Design. This will open the actual design editor where you can start making changes to the look and feel of your store. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to colors, fonts, images, layout sections, or general branding elements. The key idea here is that this is the place where your store starts becoming uniquely yours. From here, start customizing your store. As you make changes, try to keep your brand style consistent. For example, use colors that match your logo or other platforms you use, and choose a clean, readable design that makes shopping easy for visitors. A store that looks professional and organized can help build trust and make your products more appealing. As you work, it's a good idea to preview your updates carefully. Small details like spacing, banner images, and text styling can make a big difference in how polished your store feels. Focus on clarity over clutter and make sure your design supports the products you're selling rather than distracting from them. And that's it. Once you've accessed the design editor, you're ready to personalize your Payhip store and create a better experience for your audience. Take your time, test different design choices, and aim for a storefront that feels clean, clear, and aligned with your brand.